Hello friends, all of you are keeping fine. Friends, today we are going to do the map work of class 10 social sciences. This is India map series 1. So let's start the work, dear friends. First of all, we'll do the map from water resources chapter. As we know, this chapter is not coming in exam, only map work will come in exam. And these 8 dams are going to come. These are 8 major dams in India, or you can say 8 major hydel power plants in India. Salal, Bhankhda Nangal, Tehri, Rana Pratap Sagar, Sardar Sarovar, Hirakud or Hirakund, Nagarjun Sagar and Tungabhadra. Now let us locate and label these dams in the map of India. Salal is located in Kashmir region and it is labeled also. As you know, in the exam we need to locate and label both, so we need to take an extra care about it. Then we have located Bhankhda Nangal and we have labeled it also in Punjab, on the border of Punjab and Himachal, you can say. And then Tehri project we have located and labeled in Uttarakhand. Then Rana Pratap Sagar is located in Rajasthan, eastern Rajasthan, southeastern Rajasthan. And then next is Sardar Sarovar. Sardar Sarovar is in Gujarat, you can say southeastern Gujarat, on Narmada river. Then we have labeled and located the next dam, which is a famous dam in Odisha state, that is on Mahanadi river, Hirakud or Hirakund hydel power project. And then next in Karnataka state, that is Tungabhadra on Tungabhadra river. And the 8th one is Nagarjun Sagar in Telangana state, or you can say on the border of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So all these major dams are going to come in the exam. Okay, so now move to the next map. This is chapter 5, mineral and energy resources. As you know, this chapter is also not going to come in the exam. Question answers from this chapter will not be evaluated or tested in the board exam. Only map work will be evaluated. 2 maps are there: thermal power plants and nuclear power plants. First of all, we'll do thermal power plants. As you can see, as per the list, we have written all the names here: Namrup, Talcher, Singrauli, Harduaganj, Korba, Uran, Ramagundam, Vijayawada and Tuticorin. So let's label and locate these thermal power plants in the map of India. In this map, you can see we have located and labeled all the thermal power plants. Harduaganj in Uttar Pradesh we have done. That is very close to Delhi. You can say western Uttar Pradesh. That is what we need to remember, because when we will locate these places, we need to remember the part, western part, eastern part of that state, so it's easy to do the work. Then you can see Namrup we have done in extreme eastern Assam, and then Singrauli again in eastern part of Madhya Pradesh, and very close to Singrauli we have done Korba, that is in Chhattisgarh state. Then Talcher in Odisha state we have done. Then in Maharashtra state, extreme western part, very close to Mumbai, Uran thermal power plant we have done. Then in Telangana state we have Ramagundam, and very close to Ramagundam in Andhra Pradesh state we have located and labeled Vijayawada thermal power plant. And then in Tamil Nadu, southern part of Tamil Nadu, we have done Tuticorin. So all these plants we have done. Now we'll go back to the previous slide where we have the list of nuclear power plants. We have 6 major nuclear power plants in India which are going to come in the board exam: Narora, Rawatbhata, Kakrapara, Tarapur, Kaiga and Kalpakkam. Now we'll locate and label these 6 nuclear power plants in the map of India. Yes, as you can see, first of all, Narora in Uttar Pradesh we have located and labeled. Then in Rajasthan, Rawat Bhata we have done. Then if we move further south, Kakrapara we have done in Gujarat, southern part of Gujarat. Then if we are moving further south, then we have Maharashtra, Tarapur. Tarapur is the first nuclear power plant set up in India. And then we are moving further south towards Karnataka. In Karnataka state we have located and labeled Kaiga nuclear power plant. And then further south in the eastern part of northeastern part of Chennai we have located and labeled Kalpakkam nuclear power plant. So in this manner all these 6 nuclear power plants we have done. Now friends, we have done 3 maps in this series. Let's do a practice. This kind of map you will get in the exam, as already you have seen, where all the states boundaries are shown. So that is why we are calling it outline political map. And let's see the question. Question says locate and label the geographical features given in the question in the given outline map of India. Okay friends, so we have 5 features here. Dam or you can say hydel power plant in Uttarakhand, nuclear power plant in Rajasthan, thermal power plant in Maharashtra, then D part nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu, and then 5th part is hydel power plant or dam in Karnataka. Now we all need to locate these 5 geographical features in the given outline political map of India. I hope all of you will be able to do it nicely. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take good care of yourself.